In this lesson, we're going to look at the settings page and start to go over some of the basic settings that are important for you as a YouTuber. So in the YouTube Studio, you'll find this just by clicking the settings button, and you'll find a lot of these general settings pop up. If you are using the Creator Studio, the Classic, you'll find some of these settings under Channel. So if you click this Channel button, you can find interesting things like upload defaults, branding, advanced settings down here. You might also find some of these settings by clicking your profile icon here and clicking YouTube settings here. Okay, so they kind of appear in different places. But let's go back to our YouTube Studio. So I'm actually going to use my new account for this lesson. So if I click on settings, you'll see different things pop up, such as under general, you'll see the currency that you want to basically use. So this is going to be for your monetization, your ads, live super chat, all of that kind of stuff. You can choose your default creator experience. So if you want to stick with YouTube Studio, this is it's going to open up the YouTube Studio beta option whenever you go to your studio. Or if you want to go back to Creator Studio every time, just set that as your default preference. If you click on channel, you have different things like keywords. You can select your country. So I would say this is important to select your country so YouTube knows where your videos are coming from. And then keywords, this is really important too. So you probably learned a bit about keywords in the previous section with Mike about adding keywords to your videos. For your channel, you want to add keywords that are the main general, most popular keywords that someone would be interested in when looking for your channel. So, for example, if I'm recreating my Video School Online /Phil Ebiner channel, I would add things like photography, video production, video editing, Premiere Pro, After Effects, all of the keywords that are related to my channel. I'm not going to go into too many specific ones like After Effects, title graphics, or something like that. Just sort of the big general ones, okay? And I would choose between like 10 to 20. You don't want to put too many, because if you put too many keywords, then it kind of defeats the purpose. You want to have them focused and more really specific to your channel. Don't just start putting keywords that are popular, that you think are popular, just to try to get people to find your channel. But these are important because it helps YouTube show your channel when people are searching for things related to this in the search. So those are basic. If you want to go and actually edit the name of your channel, you do that by clicking this Google account page. It takes you back to Google itself, and you can do that there. Under advanced, you can link your Google Ads account. So if you want to start running ads on your videos or for your videos yourself, now this is different than making money from AdSense. This is if you want to actually create ads and put ads on other people's YouTube pages, YouTube channels. That's what Google Ads is. And so you can link your account there. You have this option for displaying the number of people subscribed to your channel. This is something to consider if you're just getting started out. You might not want to show this. If you only have a few hundred subscribers or less than 1,000, it might be a disincentive for people to actually subscribe to your channel, because the people, and this is just the hard truth, is people are more likely to subscribe to a channel if it already has a lot of subscribers. So getting started can be hard, but not displaying your subscriber count might be to your advantage. There is this option for interest-based ads, so you can click Learn More to find out more information about that and disable those there. Under community, this helps you if you want to have people help moderate your comments. So you can paste the channel URL of a YouTuber to add them as a moderator, or an approved user, which allows people to comment. Or if you have someone who is posting comments to your videos, such as things that have web links or things like that, that might be seen as spam or blocked by YouTube as spam, but you want those to be approved automatically, you can add those users here. If someone is consistently spamming your page, you can block them here. So you can actually just copy the channel URL for that user and paste it here. I have several users who just consistently were spamming me, and I've added as hidden users here. Or blocked words. Or blocked links here. You have blocked links or blocked words. You could block links completely. So if you don't want anyone posting links to your comments, you can check that. And for blocked words, say there's specific words, you cuss words or whatever it could be, you can block those words and those comments will automatically be hidden. You also have defaults. So you can turn on comments for all your videos or your channel, or disable comments. You can have comments be only held for review. So not all your comments are going to show up until you review them. You can also do this with messages in your live chat. So this is probably a good thing to turn on, because if you're doing live streaming, it's hard to control what people are saying. So holding inappropriate chat messages for review automatically is probably a good idea. With all of these things, you want to click save when you're done. In the next lessons, we're going to be going over some of these other settings that aren't built into the Studio Beta, but these are some other important things that you want to take a look at. But for now, go through these basic settings, change the ones that you want, and we'll see you in the next lesson.